students. In this video, I am sending you how you are going to give your online exam. Firstly, I will be sending you the link of our website. You just copy the link in a tab, that is exam.net. Then you need to log in as a student only. Do not click on the teacher. Then I will be providing you an exam key. Just you need to copy the exam key and write in the give space provided. Now, after that, you just need to fill your all details, that is your name, your last name, then your class. Now, say suppose if it is a standard 10, then you need to mention your section also. Then your email ID. If you are not going to write any of these, then you will not be able to log in. Now, when you will click on the fetch exam, you won't be able to click on the exam, start the exam. Reason being that I will be starting the exam exactly at 4 p.m. Saturday and it will be closed at 6 p.m. Saturday. If you try it before that time or after that time, you won't be able to do that, as I will be opening the link from my end, as I will be monitoring your exam. Now it has opened. When it is open, you will be able to do the exam. Now your screen for the exam will be divided in the two screens. At the ones you can do it any of it type, like this I am showing, so that it will be easy for you people to write down the answers by looking the question. At the same time, you can increase or decrease the screen of your question or the answer sheet. Now say suppose your question number 1. Now writing the answer, you just need to write answer 1 and write down its answer, whatever you know about the question. For giving this particular exam, it's my humble request to you all that do the exam after preparing it only. Another thing, in this exam sheet, answer sheet, there is the provision of all subscripts, means if we need to write down the reaction, you can use the symbols, you can use the upper script, lower script, and even you can use the calculator also if there is any numerical based question. So do not get worried about this. Like the way I am showing to you people. Now when you want to use the calculator, just click on the calculator will be coming. If there is any question related to a drawing, there is a drawing tool. You just need to draw the diagram if it is required. Then you need to save it. You people are more in technology compared to us. This is just a guideline for attempting the question paper properly. Now just save it and then keep it in the exam sheet wherever it is required. Same like we do in typing in a Word file. Besides this, during the exam, if you just like to chat or you just having any doubt you want to ask to me, there is an option of the chat to me. Just click over here, type whatever you want to ask me. I will give you the answer at the very same moment. Now, after this, the one thing which you need to remember is what? Say suppose like all the students they are the fan of the cheating, isn't it? Now you are giving an online test, so you people are thinking that it will be very easy to cheat. So what you do? You will just try to open the another tab like the way I am doing. So what will happen? Now over here you have find out the answer of your question. Clear? You got the answer. You are just copying the answer and thinking that you are going to paste in your exam sheet. It will get locked. And then for unlocking it, you need to write down the explanation why you lost this. After the explanation, you just need to give a request to unlock. Then the time moment when I will unlock it, you will be able to do the answer again then. Therefore, like this, like I was attempting, so the came over here, the exam has closed. Then I will be providing you the unlock key. When I will provide you a unlock key, when I will click the unlock from here, now you can join over here. Like this it will come. Now you need to wait for me to unlock it. Got it? So cheating is not possible online. But still if you want to cheat, then there is the option of the book, but I have kept the time limitation. Now your exam is finished. After the completing the exam, just click on the button submit exam. When you will submit your exam, then it will come to me. I will check you and your checked copies will be provided to you people either on the WhatsApp group, on the personal WhatsApp, or on your mail ID along the result. So kindly follow these instructions. Do not try to cheat during the exam as it will be monitoring, and main thing, it will start exactly at 4 p.m. Saturday and over at 6 p.m. Saturday. So you need to manage your time. You can give this exam through self mobiles also, but laptops are preferable as it is quite easy to type in the laptop. Thank you, students.